Anemia, a prevalent health concern globally, arises from low hemoglobin levels, often resulting in debilitating symptoms such as fatigue, hair loss, shortness of breath, and poor appetite. Hemoglobin, a crucial protein bound to iron in red blood cells, is pivotal in transporting oxygen to vital organs. When hemoglobin levels plummet, the body's ability to deliver oxygen diminishes, leading to various adverse effects. Iron deficiency anemia is the most common type of hemoglobin adequately. This insufficiency hampers hemoglobin synthesis, exacerbating the condition and intensifying symptoms like fatigue. In addressing anemia, naturopathy is crucial, offering holistic remedies to boost iron levels and revitalize overall health. 1. Drinking water from copper vessels. Utilizing copper vessels for storing and drinking water is a time-honored practice that offers numerous health benefits, including boosting iron levels and replenishing essential minerals. The water stored in copper vessels undergoes an oligodynamic effect, where copper ions leach into the water, imparting beneficial properties. Additionally, drinking water from copper vessels promotes hair health and combat hair loss. 2. Beetroot. Beetroots are famous for their vital nutrients, including copper, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamins B2, B1, B12, B6, and C. These nutrients are essential in stimulating red blood cell production and enhancing the body's hemoglobin levels. To harness the benefits of beets, blend approximately 1 cup of chopped beetroot until smooth to improve the vitamin C content, which aids in iron absorption. 3. Spinach. Spinach is a potent remedy for addressing anemia, mainly caused by a deficiency of folic acid in the blood. Inadequate production of hemoglobin can lead to anemia, but incorporating spinach into your diet can help alleviate this condition. Rich in vitamin B12, folic acid, and other essential nutrients, spinach offers a natural solution to boost hemoglobin levels and combat anemia. 4. Moringa leaves. Surprisingly, a single serving of moringa leaves provides 28 mg more iron than spinach, making it an excellent choice for boosting hemoglobin levels and increasing red blood cell count. 5. Black sesame seeds are a potent remedy for anemia. Consuming sesame seeds aids in iron absorption, enhancing their effectiveness as a natural remedy. Anemia is a severe condition that demands attention, but there's good news: you can address it with simple ingredients in your kitchen. If you're battling anemia, consider trying these 5 fantastic natural remedies to enhance your iron levels.